Where's Bianca? Is she? Is she? Say hi! Hi! Hi, Biancs!
Yummy. Nana made that. You say thank you to Nana?
Thank you, Nana.
Now, kiss Nana. Spoiled by Nana. Is Nana gonna buy you a toy tomorrow?
I went around. Walang toy shop.
There's one around na.
Day 2 sa Queenstown, New Zealand ang Ramsey family. Nagpunta sa Skyline at sinubukan nga nila ito. Another adventure sa mag-asawang Ellen at Derek kasama si Elias.
People behind couldn't overtake, so they were so angry.
What? You're so angry? Hi! Where's Bianca? Is she? Is she? Say hi! Hi! Hi, Biancs!
Elias, excited, buddy boy? Elias, Nana baked you cinnamon rolls. Woo. Is it good, Ate Ayla? Super?
Super. Meron pa dito.
Yummy. Nana made that. You say thank you to Nana?
Thank you, Nana.
Sana.
You're so spoiled by Nana. Kiss Nana. Spoiled by Nana. Is Nana gonna buy you a toy tomorrow?
I went around. Walang toy shop.
There's one around na.
Oo, kanina. But we will go to other place. There's no toy shop.
Why did you not wait?
Ganito rin pala ka-spoiled si Elias sa kanyang lola Nana. Nag-bake nga ang mother ni Derek ng cinnamon roll at gustong-gusto nga ito ni Elias. Mahal na mahal nga ang apo niya at agad na nagpunta sa bilihan ng store pagkarating dito pero wala siyang nakita. Ang cute naman ng pagtatanong ni Elias sa lola na bakit hindi raw siya isinama.
Wait, you have to wait. There, go. Go.
Outside. Why are you talking? What you want?
Whoa! Whoa! Yes, sir.
But who's the naughty one who touched that? The darts.
No.
Kumpletong-kumpleto ang bahay nila sa Queenstown. May pinball machine at tiyak mag-e-enjoy ang mga bata, ganun din ang matatanda. Ang terrace naman nila madalas nilang pinag-istayan dahil sa view at malamig na panahon dito. 15 degrees Celsius nga ang lamig dito at advance ng 5 oras sa Pinas.
You wanna go in the jacuzzi?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to swim in the jacuzzi? Hmm?
Why are you videoing him?
Where?
You're videoing.
I'm not videoing.
Yes, you are.
I am not, Bianca. Are you enjoying the view?
Yeah.
Do you want to go in the jacuzzi? Okay. How about you, buddy boy?
Me too.
Yeah. I love you.
You want to also go in the jacuzzi?
I love you.
I
I love you. Wow, that was convincing. I
want
love
I
you.
want to also go in the
I
jacuzzi.
love you. I love you.
May billiards din ang kanilang bahay at talagang hindi maboboard. Puro adventure nga ang Ramsey family at sunod-sunod ang kanilang pagta-travel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Huh? You have to turn it on here. There you go. Hold on. What happened? There you go.
Guys, we can play
We have our own bar.
Me first.
Hello, Mrs. Ramsey.
Ramzai.
Bianca, you like the view out there?
I like the cold out there.
You like the cold out there? Look.